I'm Beth Dixon, and I'm the cocktail instructor here at the Kitchen Classroom. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make my variation of a Poloma. We're going to be making a mezcal Poloma, so it'll be a little bit smokier. And we're going to be using a homemade grapefruit cordial that you can learn how to make if you come to class here. This one is a really nice, easy cocktail to learn. It takes a little bit of preparation in advance to make the cordial, but we are going to build it in the glass, so that's really nice. But one of the techniques I wanted to show you is just kind of how to rim a glass with salt, because you don't really need one of those sort of like 3-tier cocktail rimmers. You could just use a bowl of your favorite salt. We've got some kosher salt here. You could certainly use sea salt or black salt or tahini or something like that. But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take a fresh lime wedge or lemon wedge, and we're just gonna rub it around half of the outside of the glass at the top near the rim. And I like to do half a glass to give you an option of not having salt with the cocktail, so you can kind of go back and forth. And then you're just gonna take your glass and just sort of roll it and rub it in the salt in your bowl. And then you've got a nice half-rimmed glass. So once you've got that done, and sort of put your salt to the side, you can still use this lime as a garnish, but we are going to go ahead and add 1.5 ounces of mezcal, or you could do 2 ounces if you want it a little stronger. And then we're gonna add 3/4 ounce of this grapefruit cordial. It uses fresh grapefruit, sugar, a little bit of citric acid. And we're gonna add that into our glass. And we're gonna fill this up with some ice. We're gonna top it off with some grapefruit flavored club soda. This is not sweetened. We're already getting some sweetener in that cordial. And then lastly, we're gonna take our bar spoon here, and we're just gonna pop it in the glass and sort of lift it up and down. We don't wanna agitate it too much because that will make you lose some of the bubbles. But just sort of up and down gently until you think everything's pretty well incorporated. And we're gonna garnish it. I'm actually gonna garnish it with a lime. You could do a grapefruit wedge here. I love to add rosemary, but sage is also really great with grapefruit. So we're gonna throw some sage in here as well. Let me get a pretty piece. All right. And with these herbs, you can kind of either rub them in between your hands, give them a smack, or sort of whack them on your hand. That will release some of the aromatics. And pop it in your cocktail glass. And there we are, there we have it. Nice mezcal Poloma with a little fresh sage. All right, enjoy.